Hi, it's Karen at RT Systems. Here today to talk to you about the IC-705. And I know I've talked to you about the 705 in a couple of the last videos, but I want to talk about it again today because we found it has a little more significance. This style with the banks and the bank channel numbers is how the new ID52 is laid out. So you're going to want to listen carefully if you have one of those radios on the way, because we're going to give you a leg up and you'll be ready when it gets here. That, of course, will be with the ID52 programmer and not with the 705. It's just the layout will be the same on the two. So you get the software, you get it installed, it opens up, and the first thing you have is a blank page. Well, what are you going to do with it? Someone may have given you repeater frequencies and you're going to type them in, but let's shortcut that a little bit. Go to File and External Data. We're going to use Repeater Book today. We're going to search around Albuquerque, and I'm going to tell it OK. The list comes back. I have 6 meters. I have 2 meters. I have 220. I have 440. 900 and 1.2 gig. The programmer will take care of what the radio can't use. But I have some things right down here at the bottom that'll also help me with that. This radio, I want the name to be the city. It has enough characters in the name that you might as well have that display on your radio. For the sake of what we're going to do with the data, I want comment to be city. You'll see why in a minute. Selected bands. I'm going to drop out Fusion. I'm going to drop out P25. And what's so very nice about this list is I don't have to hunt for them. The programmer just takes them out of the list wherever they appear. And now I'm going to click Create File. And just that quick and easy, I have a file now for my 705 radio. And notice the zeros here in the bank. Everybody's in the same bank. If I had passed 100, the programmer automatically would have gone to bank 2. Let's do this first. Let's go to Settings and Bank Names and Linking. And bank names for this 0, we'll call it Home Channels. And tell it OK. Home Channels. And all of these are set to 0, and you think, what in the heck's going on? How can they all be set to 0? Well, at this point, if you send them to the radio just like this one will be number 1, this one will be number 2, this one will be number 3, and they'll follow this order down the side of the spreadsheet, which has always been the channel numbers in radios that don't use this format. But I want to do something with this. First, though, we're going to save this file just because we have done enough work that I don't want to lose what we've done. So we're going to call it Home Channels. And that's all saved up. So they're all in numerical order, which is a perfectly good way to arrange your frequencies. But I have another suggestion. And I'm going to click in here to see what these channel numbers are going to be and tell it OK. And now notice I'm at 0, 1, 2, 3. And this is the column that the radio is going to play off of. But what if I want them in a different order? Let's see what happens. We're going to go to Edit and Sort. And I'm going to sort by comment. I'm going to sort all channels and tell it OK. And that's why I put the city in the comments, because now I have my cities together. When I'm in Albuquerque, I have all the Albuquerque repeaters, one after the other, whether they're 2 meters or 440. They're all just one after the other. But there's a problem. If I send this to the radio like it is, this channel will be number 30, this channel will be number 43, this channel will be number 25, and they won't be in this order. And you'll think I fibbed to you. So let's do one more step and get these bank channel numbers in order like we want them. So I'm going to click here, and you think, my goodness, do I have to move all these around to get them the way I want them? But no. I'm going to click on name, and look, they are all now in order, just like they are here. Frequencies went with them, and when I tell it OK, all those channel numbers change. Now they are ordered the way I want them, and when I send this to the radio, this is the order that they are in. Just something new you can do with it. Trying to make it easier for you. I hope you found this helpful. You know we're here for questions. Give us a call. We'll help you enjoy these radios. This is K0RTX, Karen at RT Systems. We'll catch you later.